Welcome everyone to the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, where futures take flight. AIM is one of the nation's leading aviation maintenance schools with campuses across the country and a mission rooted in hands-on learning, real-world training, and strong career outcomes. Here, students train in active hangars, fully equipped labs, and modern classrooms alongside instructors who bring decades of experience from airlines, military aviation, and maintenance repair operations. AIM offers a fast-paced job path and in-house career resources with graduates working in aviation, aerospace, manufacturing, and beyond. With locations nationwide, every AIM campus has its own tight-knit community, supportive, welcoming, and focused on one thing: helping students build a career they are proud of. I'm your host, Alex Boylan, and over the next half hour, you'll meet 10 remarkable students, each with a unique story about how AIM has become a launchpad for their goals and how this training is helping them reach their highest potential. Welcome to the Aviation Institute of Maintenance. This is a college tour.